Hi everyone, this is Keely with Honda of Keene, and this is the 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL. The 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL packs quite a punch with a 280 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, available intelligent variable torque management all-wheel drive system, and up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. Here on the exterior, we have 18-inch machine-finished alloy wheels, we have available heated power side mirrors, we have a one-touch power moonroof, and we have a dual-action tailgate with over 63 inches of bed in the back. Here in the interior, we have a 200-watt audio system with 7 speakers. We have a 5-inch color LCD display with a Bluetooth HandsFreeLink. We have a multi-angle rear view camera, and it also comes with a HomeLink remote system. The 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL also comes with some great safety tech, like vehicle stability assist with traction control, electronic brake distribution, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2019 Honda Ridgeline, the RTL might be the perfect trim for you. So come on down to Honda of Keene, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.